All right,
fun.
so I was going to say we know of at least one big event happening outdoors today. People going out and about today. A little less crazy as it was yesterday.
Yeah.
Wind howling for some people.
Windy yesterday. Yeah, you felt it, you heard it, you saw it. Today, we're seeing those calmer winds across the area. We are going to deal with a few on and off showers throughout the day, but that's the main weather story, is the calmer winds that we're seeing across the area. Notice that most of Puget Sound, we're doing A-OK this morning, holding on to some of those stronger winds to the north of Everett. This is where we're seeing the winds within the past hour, gusts between 20 to say 35 miles per hour. But most folks, it's feeling and sounding and looking a lot quieter out there. The winds are only at 6 miles per hour here in Seattle, 45 degrees, so a really mild start to the morning. The wind, as well as from that direction of the southeast, as well as some of the cloud cover, keeping those temperatures pretty mild area-wide. We are starting the day off in the mid to upper 40s for western parts of Washington, 46 in Everett, 48 in Arlington, 49 for my friends up there in Bellingham. So the temperatures really not too bad to start the day. And then as we work our way into central parts of Washington, temperatures upper 20s, lower 30s, going to see those highs climb well into the 30s later on this afternoon. 1 or 2 snow showers possible at times throughout the day. No significant accumulations are expected. And we're going to see on and off showers for western Washington with the Puget lowlands. Climbing into the lower 50s for highs by this afternoon. We're still seeing a few light rain showers across the area. This is actually with the warm front that's lifting its way toward the north. And that's why those temperatures are so mild out there. That warm front continues to lift north. We see a few on and off rain showers with this, but there's going to be a break back behind this warm front, and then we have another cold front that's going to work its way in overnight into our Sunday, and that will create another uptick in those rain chances later on this afternoon into our Sunday morning. So we're going to fast forward future radar to 9:30. Notice that morning rain we're seeing right now starts to move out of the area. We have a brief dry break from, say, late morning into the early afternoon hours before the rain showers start to increase again across western Washington later on this afternoon into the overnight hours. Tomorrow morning looks like we'll start that day out wet, and then we see just the on and off showers throughout the day for our Sunday. Not a washout today, not a washout tomorrow. We will focus in on some of that heavier snow expected, or at least moderate snow for the mountains by tomorrow into Monday morning, and that's going to possibly cause some issues for the passes. No significant issues, but could pick up, say, 4 to maybe 6 inches of snow for Snoqualmie, Stevens, as well as White Pass. Ski areas gonna get in on some snow, so maybe go check them out over the weekend. We see those high temperatures near average over the next several days. No significant storm systems are on the horizon.